So, this finally arrived. But, yeah. This is a Turtle Beach 50p gaming headset mic, and it's, wired. So, let's open this up, shall we? Oh, do it right here. I'll try not to cut myself, though. You know what? Oh. I don't know why I would keep recording myself opening stuff, but whatever. Alright, now where... Alright, now. I gotta go look for that. Oh, shit. I don't know what this is, but whatever. Oh. And there we have it. Alright. And we, of course, connected... Yeah, and then we connected over here. Alright, now let's see what I would end up looking like. Oh. Well, alright then. Now let me test this out on phone. Let me test it out on phone. Alright, now I'm testing this out on phone. If I try testing this out on laptop, I don't know if that'll work on my laptop or not. Actually, hold on. I was talking about specifically that one. My hang on, I don't know if you can see, but I was talking about specifically that one, my laptop, the black one over there. Yeah, that one. But whatever. Oh, and if you have a desktop, you're gonna have to need a PC splitter cable. I guess this seems to be working on my dad's laptop, huh? So this decided to work on my dad's laptop, but not my own laptop. Let me show you what headset mic. What? Let me show you what microphone I'm talking about. Um. Oh, right. Sorry. Okay. Um. Okay. So this is the if I'm too loud, then sorry. So this is the one I'm talking about. Like this is the Turtle Beach Recon 50p headset, and it comes with the microphone, and it worked on my dad's laptop, yet it does not work on my own laptop, which is the black one. Which honestly, that disappoints me. And I also tried this out. I tried this on my desktop, but that doesn't work either, which is disappointing. Well, the headphone parts work. The headphone works and everything, but the microphone does not work on my laptop and my desktop. Yet it works on my dad's laptop, which honestly, that honestly disappoints me. But hey, it is how it is. Um. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm testing out the Turtle Beach headset mic on a laptop, specifically my dad's laptop. It even has a switch where you can mute or unmute. Here, let me show you. I don't know if you can see it well because of the quality of this laptop webcam, but yeah. So right now it is unmuted, but when I switch it, it'll be muted, so yeah. Alright, so now it is. Wait, hold on. Alright, so now it is unmuted again, and while this headset mic was muted, I sneezed, so yeah. It even has a volume. It even has a volume too. So yeah. Now I just feel like screwing around by having like multiple webcams being shown at once on OBS. Like I don't know why, but I just feel a sudden mood to do that. Like, I know this video was supposed to be a review video for the Logitech headset. Well, not Logitech, but I know this video was originally supposed to be the review video for the Turtle Beach headset mic, but now I just feel a sudden mood to screw around with the webcams. Having, like, multiple webcams shown at once on OBS. I don't know why. I just feel like doing that. Yeah. I'll just make a random noise and then mute the Turtle Beach headset mic while I'm making a noise. So um yeah. Uh yeah. I am now testing out the Turtle Beach headset mic on desktop using the PC splitter cable, which is this one. This is a PC splitter cable I'm testing. This is the PC splitter cable that got my Turtle Beach headset mic to be connected to my desktop, making the microphone work. So yeah. Um I have nothing else to say in this video other than thank you all for watching, and yeah, this is Ronnie Zamora saying see you later.